Hey there, fellow traders. Welcome back to Insider Financial. In this video, we will discuss the stocks on our radar. We anticipate a busy week ahead. In the small cap markets, things are heating up right now. 2 of our last 4 profiles went on to explode triple digits. This could be a sign that things are heating up heading into a Trump presidency. I don't know if you remember what happened to the small caps during his first term, but the liquidity and interest were massive. We are gearing up for round 2 right now. Regardless, many opportunities are surfacing in the markets. The company that we want you to turn your attention to is ticker CETX. First and foremost, the company just completed a 35-for-1 reverse split on the 26th of November. This is not always a positive sign for the company, but potentially presents an opportunity. This company has been around for a while and it has been public since 1998. They have just under 350 employees. They just nailed nearly $50 million in revenues over the last reported 9 months and $59.7 million in 2023. The recent reverse split wiped out the float and the company lost a significant market cap. We have seen some companies recently reverse after taking a bounce. Key highlights for CETX include Cemtrex currently has 344 employees. Revenue for the 9 months ended June 30th, 2024 increased 14% to $48.7 million compared to revenue in the prior year period of $42.8 million. Cemtrex recently announced integration of AI arm person detection feature in Vicon Next cameras. Disruptive AI analytic for detecting armed persons in surveillance footage to be included in Vicon Next cameras, primed for release in the first calendar quarter of 2025. Cemtrex is set to complete the 100% acquisition of Vicon Industries. We want to watch CETX tomorrow and the rest of the week. Start your research. To read our full report on CETX, click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. There is no spam and your info is never shared. You can unsubscribe. You can even sign up. Just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial and unsubscribe. Moving on, here are some big winners from our last video. We talked about Gap. They had big earnings. Stock is trading here right near the highs at 26 bucks. LUNR, Intuitive Machines, has been volatile, been trading between $10 and $17. We've been nailing this one all along. I talked about the breakthrough through $10, and then that was support, bounced right off that support and ran all the way to $17 on LUNR. BE, Bloom Energy, made new 52-week highs, had this huge gap up, and the stock has just trended higher ever since. QUBT and QBTS, these are 2 quantum computing names. You can't have AI without quantum computing. SMCI, been talking about this one a lot. It's been a volatile trader. I said last time 19% of the float is short. Has auditor. They're regaining compliance. I said it was a discount entry opportunity, and then there was the gap. There's a gap fill from $40 to $50. They got news after the bell on Friday. Looks like we're going to close that gap this week. I said here the next resistance was the 50-day moving average at $38, and we blasted through that last week. Real, 22% of the float is short. This one has just been really just squeezing the shorts from $3.20. A nice steady climb. Beautiful chart here on the Real. Mara, I said BTC was about to go over $100,000. We got that. We got the move to 104. 22% of the float is short. And then NRDY, NRDY, said here that we could see more upside. 13% of the float is short. The CEO has been buying left and right. Charles Cohn, just accumulating stock like crazy. I mean, he's even buying here at $1.51. All over the place. He was buying, here 87 cents, just accumulating a ton of stock. At the rate he's going, you have to ask yourself, is he going to take it private? We shall see. No one knows, but it's just been a great performer here over the past month, up 82%. Again, congrats if you banked in NRDY. Now the shorts have really been pressing their bet. When I talked about it last time, November 25th, only 13% of the float is short. Now we're up to 16%. So the shorts have been increasing their position. And on these names, if you watch them bank, congratulations. Very happy for you. Moving on, guys. This week, all eyes will be on inflation data. We get CPI on Wednesday and PPI on Thursday. Earnings this week, Monday, Rent the Runway, RENT. Stock was up a runner over from back in April, ran all the way from just above $4 all the way to 30, pulled back to 10, then ran to $42, consolidating here, starting to perk up here. We could see an explosive move in RENT, so certainly put that one on your radar screen. And then AI, just been a nice climber here, broke through that downtrend here that I flagged for you guys. It was a bull flag, broke through there, and we ran all the way to $40. Going to be a big earnings will make or break the stock this week. Oracle, this is one that has always been a big mover on earnings. Again, I don't do the calls or puts, or I don't do options before earnings. I wait till after the earnings, because before the earnings report, look, the market makers know what they're doing. There's going to be a ton of premium in whichever way you want to play it. So I just wait for the earnings announcement, and then you're going to get a move either way. So just the way I try to play these plays. Tuesday, GameStop, GME. Again, you're going to have earnings, going to be a big mover. Wednesday, Adobe, ADBE. This is another one. Look at all these gaps. These are from before and after earnings. So again, you can see it's going to make a big move one way or another. Thursday, Broadcom, AVGO, and Costco, COST, are reporting, and that will set the tone for the market. Costco, I always like to watch because it is where people shop. It's a sign of the strength of the consumer, retail sales. So that's important to get the overall sense of how the market and the consumer and how the overall economy is doing. And then two low floaters to keep an eye on this weekend. Lots of chatter this weekend on stock twits on ENTO. I mean, I just posted, went on to the ENTO board on stock twits. 348 new posts already. So again, tons and tons of chatter. The stock closed at 79 cents, trading 86 cents. Guys, I gotta stress to you, you gotta trade it, a lot of times in the pre-market, because what they end up doing is they run it up and then it dumps at the open. So again, I'm not saying, you just gotta trade this. You gotta trade this stuff. Don't fall in love with any of these plays. If you want to fall in love with something, go fall in love with an ETF, the SPY, or whatever you want to do, but none of this is financial advice. But again, it's all about trading, make money, move on to the next play, and that's where you will find success in the markets. But ENTO, just a $4.56 million market cap. You can see here low float and the 4.56 million market cap, and you do have a short in the stock, so certainly one to watch this one. And then lastly, Joker Parabol, he's talking about this one on Twitter. He said, no reverse split since that $82 back in 2022. Time to fly. They asked him about dilution. He's saying zero dilution, shelf expired, 100% clean papers. We're just going by what he says. But again, the chart looks great, bouncing off the dollar level here. Had a correction on Friday, but bouncing in the after hours. Market cap just 5.39 million. We do have another short in the stock. So again, it was rallying all week last week. Let's see if they can keep rallying it this week here as market. December is going to be exciting. So certainly, as I said earlier, a lot of people are excited about the Trump presidency. Make small caps great again. So certainly we are excited here at Insider Financial. And lastly, I will also be scanning the pre-market, and if I see anything else, I will let subscribers know. Just go over here and click Get Text Updates. That is the fastest way to get all of our updates. But Monday's primary focus is CETX. Make sure you read our full report and do your research. Good luck to all this week except the shorts. At Insider Financial, we put stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities in the markets daily. The important thing is identifying which stocks to invest in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays with catalysts. It's all about finding momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at Insider Financial. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, lithium stocks, and insider buying. Click that link in the description or go to insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up, just see the level of research we do here at Insider Financial, and unsubscribe. Finally, thanks to Interactive Offers for sponsoring this video on CETX. Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. It is our opinion, meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for joining us today on Insider Financial. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss the latest insights and strategies. Until next time, happy trading. Bye-bye.